Hi there, Gus here to show you how to assemble, use and change the filters on a TECMEN PAPR system. Now the system comes with a blower unit, filters, rechargeable battery, the breathing tubes, belt and straps, and of course the user manual. The user manual has everything you need to know, so keep this safe so you can refer to it on an ongoing basis. The TECMEN FreFlow unit is designed to go with any TECMEN helmets or face shields, and it complies to AS NZS 1716 standard. The different helmets are as follows: the TECMEN flip front. We also have the face shields G10 and G20, slim design 820 wording helmet, and of course, last but not least, is the hard hat version of the wording helmets. The PAPR system works by drawing air through the filters, up through the tube, into the facial area in the helmet, giving you pure, clean air. Do not use a PAPR system in an oxygen deficient atmosphere. These units are nice and easy to use. Right, now I'm going to show you how to use the blower unit. First of all, we need to put the battery on. This large button on the top, 2 seconds you turn it on, and you push it down for another 2 seconds, it'll turn it off. This power button is also used to control the airflow. Once the unit's on, it starts with low speed at 170 and then high speed at 210. The lights on here indicate which speed it's on. Then next is the filter status, on how blocked the filter is. The more lights appear, the dirtier the filters get. When it's full, it will also start flashing, vibrating, and a beeping sound to let you know, and you need to change the filter. Also, another point is if the filter is full, the unit will have to work hard, which makes the battery run out faster. This is another indication it's time to change the filter. The last symbol on the display is the battery indicator. This will let you know when it's time to charge your battery. At this point, it will also vibrate and let off a beeping sound. And now I'm going to show you how to assemble the filters. First of all, we'll turn it off, 2 seconds again. Now we're going to put in the filters. First of all, there's a spark protector inside. Make sure that's always on. Then you've got the pre-filter that fits on top. And then you've got your main P3 particle filter, and that slides in. And this will cover you for all particle protection, like dust, welding, grinding applications. Now with the TECMEN blower unit, there's optional filters. First of all, we have the ABEC gas filter, which is designed for vapors and gases. Also, we have an odour filter, which is a carbon layer to help block out nuisance odours during cutting, welding, and say galvanising applications. So now we put these 2 optional extra filters in behind the particle filters. So we just clip it off. There's 2 little lugs here that just clip off. And we put the 2 lugs that are now on the extra filters in its place, and then just push down, make sure it's clipped in, and push down. Now these are quite hard to put in because it needs to be guaranteed 100% sealed. And then this just goes in top, and then push down and make sure it clicks, and there you are, good to go. Now if you're replacing the filters, make sure you turn the unit off before opening it, and always check with a new filter, make sure it's intact, dry, not damaged before putting it into your unit. Next, let's look at the battery. All FreFlow units come with a fast charging standard battery. This should give you all day protection unless you're using an odour filter or a gas filter. then you may need a secondary battery, or you can buy an extended battery to give you maximum all-day use. Now to fit the battery to the blower unit, just simply put it in the bottom, line it up, click it in and push back, and it should click into place. And once again, to remove it, there's a button in the front, push it in, pull it forward, and out it will pop. And you need this off to charge your battery. There's a little slot in the side. You need to always charge the battery with the battery charger that comes with the unit. Simply click it in and you're good to go. It takes about an hour, hour and a half if it's fully flat to charge. Shows a green light when it's ready to go. Lastly, we need to assemble the breathing tube. So let's plug this into the blower unit. Let's just line the two prongs up, push down, quarter twist, and the same applies to the helmet. In, quarter twist, and locks into place. Now we have the leather belt, which is adjustable with a buckle, and then we have the shoulder straps, which helps take the weight off your back. So now you're set, ready to go. Clean, fresh air, all day, every day when you're fabricating with the TECMEN FreFlow unit. So all the best, see you next time.